We are back with Lake Erie Golf Cars, and we are taking a look at a 2019 TXT gas. This golf cart is a used golf cart. It has a rear folding seat, standard seating, as well as a lift kit and aftermarket rims. Take a look at these deep dish rims on here. A nice matte black. We're outside, we're in the yard. May not be the cleanest cars we're looking at, but you got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of golf cars. You know, you're gonna have that sometimes. So let's loop around this way and take a look underneath of the hood, so to speak. Look at that engine. This is a conversion. Look at that nice new engine in there. That means this boy is gonna be purring and running like it's never been used, because it hasn't. Even though it's a 2019 frame, everything else on it is new. Some of the accessories include headlights, which you have control of here, horn, turn signals. That's how you turn the lights on, off, and then you have your flashers. This one also comes with a 2-passenger top. However, if you did want to get a 4-passenger top, we do have them available for this model. This one does come with the standard seating. However, if you were interested in the premium seating, we can always upgrade you. This is a folding seat, so if you do need to transport anything, you will be able to, or if you just want to have it closed up for passengers, you could do that as well. Another optional accessory is underneath of here. There's an empty space, but we have a wire basket insert that goes inside of there. It sits underneath of here to allow you to use that space as storage. So this is just an example of one of the many golf carts that we have in our custom golf cart selection. Make sure you stop on our website and check us out. LakeErieGolfCars.com.